Securing your data isn't a one-time event, it's a habit. That's why we built Password Health, a feature that constantly monitors your vault inside ExpressKeys. Once you've added at least one login, you'll see a number score on the homepage of the app. This is your security score. It's a live assessment of your vault's strength, calculated on things like password complexity and whether you're reusing the same keys across different sites. The best part? This analysis happens entirely on your device. Your actual passwords never leave your phone. The app automatically scans for the 4 main red flags that put you at risk. It identifies weak passwords that are too easy to guess and flags reused passwords that could create a domino effect if one site gets hacked. It also checks your login URLs, and most importantly, it cross-references your credentials against known data breaches. If your info ever shows up on a leaked list, you'll be the first to know, so you can change it immediately. If your score isn't where you want it to be, just tap Help Me Fix on any login. From there, you can use the password generator to swap out weak keys for strong ones or update insecure URLs. It even flags accounts where you haven't enabled two-factor authentication yet. With Password Health, you aren't just storing your passwords, you're actively improving them. It's one of the easiest ways to stay one step ahead of hackers.